I'm gonna teach you how I spent my Christmas Eve dinner all by myself, alone. So apparently, here's my dinner. And as you can see, it's wrapped in plastic, so there's not much to that. As a Hungarian, I describe this as a taco. So I'm gonna remove the plastic here, right here. But thank you. Sorry about that junk. And I'm gonna put that thing to the microwave. So how much longer? I don't know. 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. So let me just put that in there. Hang on. Hang on. I got it. And right. Let's put this 30 seconds right now. What's this? Alright, it should be done in 30 seconds. Joy, it's done. And here we go. Let's do this, boys. Hang on. Cameraman, what are you doing? Hang on, I got it. Careful, don't drop it or you'll be in serious trouble, alright? Put that in there. Oh, get out of my way. Get out of my way. Alright. Is it on? Alright, let's put it back to the microwave. Oh, it's on. Here we go. Alright, let me check if it's hot now. It's good enough. Alright, Mr. Jaw. Hang on. Alright, here we go. Here's your dinner. Sorry if it's crap report, you know. Well, there's only one thing to say. Bon appetit. And I'm sorry if this is causing epilepsy, so... Wait, why am I using this?